Kawaii 3H – Human, Health, Happiness. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your 3H820 Smart Acupressure bed. Before you begin assembling, please make sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. Please note that there are some steps in the assembly process that might require two people to help with the assembly. Start the assembly by checking the parts list. Verify that the following parts are included with your assembly. Check the assembly for the following hardware. The following tools are recommended for this installation. Step 1. Attaching the headboard, footboard, and bed rails. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 1 by locating the Part 1 headboard and Part 3 footboard and have them both stand upright straight. Next, place two Part 6 non-slip felts on the bottom of each foot of both the headboard, footboard as shown. With another person assisting you, place one Part 2 side rail on each side of the headboard and footboard. Slowly push the slide rails into place, one rail at a time. Next, secure the Part 2 frame to the Part 1 frame using two Part N3 hex bolts and two Part N5 washers. Tighten the bolts using a power drill with an extender socket. Take care not to over-tighten the bolts. Repeat these steps for the opposite side of the footboard using the remaining Part N3 bolts and Part N5 washers. Finally, repeat these steps for the opposite side.
Step 1 is now complete.
Step 2. Installing the middle support. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 2 by locating the middle support foot, Part 5, and the middle support, Part 4. Place the middle support on top of the support foot, match the center bottom hole, and push into place. Next, place the newly formed middle frame assembly to the center slots located in the middle of the side rails. Push the middle support into the slots and secure the middle support using one Part N wood screw on each end. Tighten the screw using a power drill with an extended Phillips drill bit. All screws shall be fastened at an angle. Repeat these steps for the opposite side. Next, place the wood bar, Part M3, between the headboard and middle support as shown. Secure the wood bar using two short wood screws, Part N2. Tighten the screw using a power drill with an extended Phillips drill bit. Finally, place the wood bar, Part M4, along the midway between the footboard and middle support. Secure the wood bar using two long wood screws, Part N1, one at each end. After all hardware has been tightly secured, Step 2 is now complete. Step 3. Installing the massage machine. For this step, you will require the following parts. Two people are recommended for this step. Begin Step 3 by carefully raising the massage machine, Part 8, and placing it on M3 wood bar. The machine must be placed with the open end facing the footboard and the power panel facing the headboard. After placing the massage machine on top of the wood bar, pull the power cables and power panel through the square hole located on the headboard. The power panel must be placed on the outside as shown.
Step 3 is now complete.
Step 4. Installing additional supports. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 4 by connecting the headboard, footboard, and middle support using two Part M1 wood bars. Place one bar on each side of the massage machine. Align and insert the M1 bar into the grooves of the headboard and footboard. Secure both bars using 3 part N1 longwood screws, one on the front, one on the center, and one on the end. The 2 screws at each end will be installed at an angle, while the center bolts will be installed at a 90-degree angle. Insert the screws at an angle and tighten the screws using a power drill with an extended Phillips head driver bit. Tighten the middle screws next. These are installed perpendicular as shown. And finally, tighten the end screws and insert at an angle. Before installing the M2 center wood bar, take the mattress bed and place it in place. Verify that the massage machine is centered correctly and that all holes on the mattress match the machine working parts as shown. After verifying that the massage machine is installed correctly, continue by placing the Part M2 wood bar in between the left side of the massage machine, making sure that it goes on top of the headboard portion and connects the middle support. Secure the M2 wood bar using 2 N1 longwood screws. The end screw shall be fastened at an angle, and the middle screw shall be installed straight up. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Next, tighten the middle screws straight up the opposite side, as shown. After all hardware has been tightly secured, Step 4 is now complete. Step 5. Installing the mattress. For this step, you will require the following parts. Before putting the mattress in place, make sure the massage machine power panel is outside the headboard hole. Begin Step 5 by placing the mattress onto the frame assembly as shown. Locate a cable located on the bottom of the mattress and connect it to the cables coming out the side of the massage machine. Make sure that the connectors are properly secured before placing the mattress directly onto the assembly. Once the cables are connected, match the mattress holes with the mattress machine and push it into place. Next, place the head support between the mattress and the headboard. Put the head support at an angle and push into place. Finally, fix the massage machine power panel with the 4 corner holes matching the holes on the headboard. Cover the headboard hole and secure the power panel using 4 part N4 wood screws. Tighten the screw using a power drill with an extended Phillips drill bit. After all screws have been tightly secured, Step 5 is now complete. Step 6. Connecting the remote control and power cord. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 6 by locating the power panel located on front of the headboard. Starting with the remote control cable, connect the cable into the power panel. Rotate clockwise to attach the cable on the appropriate socket. Next, connect the power cable onto the appropriate socket with the words "Power" written below it. Locate the remote control hook and place it on the headboard. You can place it either by the side or top. Finally, take the remote control and hook it on the control hook. Congratulations! You have completed the assembly of the 3H820 Smart Acupressure Bed. Before turning the power on, verify that all parts and hardware are intact and that operation of the massage machine and power panel is functioning properly in accordance to the owner's manual. Enjoy your new 3H820 Smart Acupressure Bed. Brought to you by Kauai 3H. Human. Health. Happiness.